Hello all, welcome to UI UX Docs Front-End Techies. This is about React.js 3 to 8 is experienced real interview questions from the company TCS. HR question section. The first question is tell about yourself. We need to explain our career experiences, our the work companies which we worked on, and the projects we worked on. Second question is what are your strengths and weakness? We should emphasize more on strengths than weakness. Third question is why you're looking for a change. So we need to explain like we need a better opportunity growth. We need a salary kind of things here. JD. So the JD needs strong knowledge on React.js and to have additional knowledge on Redux and Flux and good to have strong understanding on our technologies. Project discussion. So project discussions. The first one is what explain your current project. So we need to explain all the things we did in this current project. What is the project about? What is the product or what is the thing that is we are working on. So we need to explain that our client, we need to explain our client why they need this software, we need to explain, and then we need to explain what are the modules we worked on and what are the technologies we worked in this project. Particularly in this project we need to explain in detailed manner, and then how many challenges we faced, like difficult parts or easy things we did like that, we need to explain. Second question is how many projects you've done on React.js. So in our total career experience, so like for example, we have some 3 to 8 years experience. How many projects we did on React.js, we need to explain. And the third one is how you rate yourself in React. This question is for asking the React interview questions. So we need to better have like out of 10, we should be like from 8 or 9. So then we can consider ourselves as strong to answer the questions. Fourth one is did you work on backend part of our current project? If you are working on that one, you can say yes. Otherwise, you can say no. The fifth one is you are the only one resource to handle UI of a project. Can you take it? So based on your experiences, based on your talent, based on the requirement, you can say yes or no. So you need to emphasize if yes, why it is yes. If it is no, why it is no. You need to explain it in a better manner. Front end part. So the front end here is React. So we are going to ask about the React interview questions. The first one is what are React routers? So we need to explain what are the React routers and what are the components present inside the React router. So that we need to explain what is the header, what is in the header part, what is in the child part, and how it is routing itself. What happens when you press only the slash like that, you need to explain. And yeah, all those things you need to explain with an example. So that will make a good understanding for them. Second question is in how many ways we can make a parent to child, child to parent communication in React.js. So we have some 2 or 3 ways. So we need to explain all those things through props, how you make the communication, through context, how you make the communication like that. You need to explain in detail with good examples. Front end questions, React technology, React.js. I have 5 fields with a form. I want to insert these 5 fields data to backend STP call. How you achieve it? So they are expecting questions like the 5 fields data we need to get and we need to store in some form. Okay, and then we need to fetch add this data through your STP call to either through fetch API or through async await or through Axios like that. They are asking. Second one is can you write the REST API call to show all the data stored through the form? So this is like to get all the data from the stored REST API call. Through the stored REST API call, we can call and show all the 5 fields data here as a table or anything. So we can write with some example. And the third one is explain Redux and Flux. So how Redux and Flux are used in React, we need to explain in detail. And the fourth one is how strong you are in SASS. So they are expecting some knowledge on SAS, particularly without CSS. So for the CSS part, they are expecting knowledge on CSS. If you have knowledge, you can explain here. Web questions. So first one is what is Jumpotron? So why we use Jumpotron in Bootstrap, we need to explain. Second one is what is local storage in HTML5? So why we use local storage in HTML5? What is the need for that? And third one is what is Flux in CSS? So we need to explain what is Flux and what are the various things available about Flux. We need to explain. Fourth one is how to add a calendar in web page. So like full date and time calendar they are expecting, or some date calendar they are expecting. And the fifth one is a tricky question: did you use jQuery JavaScript inside React? Most probably we can say no, because React JS we can use fully. If there is some need for JavaScript or jQuery inside that, we can use that one. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to UIUX Docs. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to UIUX Docs. Front End Techies.